Hey family, what's up friends? This is not financial advice. OG Larry coming at you again with some information that might be able to help you change your life. So if you need financial advice, check with your local broker or financial advisor in your area, because with investing and trading, there's risk involved, and I don't want people in here risking money that they can't afford to lose. With that being said, let's talk about BROADCOM, ticker symbol AVGO. AVGO had earnings last week and they got smashed. They just got beat down after they reported earnings, but they didn't get beat down because their earnings was weak or because they failed on their earnings. They got beat down because of market sentiment and trader fear. So what that means is AVGO crushed revenue. They posted record revenue, beat earnings per share, and provided strong guidance. So the stock didn't, it's not about the company's performance is why the stock went down. It's that trader anxiety and market mechanics. So the thing about AVGO is that the core engine is artificial intelligence. So everybody is talking about an AI bubble and being fearful and spreading fear in the market. But I'm here to tell you, like Warren Buffett would tell you, when people are fearful, be greedy. When people are greedy, be fearful. And right now the market is injecting a lot of fear into people's positions, hoping that they'll sell so they can buy low. That's what the market makers do. They push AVGO down until it's attractive to people who know what's going on, and it's less attractive to people who are scared. So don't be scared of it, because they have a backlog. The CEO, Tan, highlighted the company's backlog that has 73 billion, which turns into revenue over the next 18 months. So those long-term orders include an $11 billion from Anthropic AI and another $1 billion from a company that they didn't mention, which people say, which is rumored to be OpenAI. And they have been doing business with Google for years. So they have these companies on board, and Meta is going to be on board. So you got Google, you have Meta, you have Anthropic AI, and you possibly have OpenAI joining joining BROADCOM. Sorry about that. Joining BROADCOM. So with all these companies jumping in, the price drop is unwarranted. And the business is not going to slow down just because the price drop. What the price drop did was give you a chance to get back in. And while this might be an expensive stock per se, you can still potentially play a long leap option and make money on it for a fraction of the price that it would cost to buy a whole share or to buy a bunch of shares. So keep it on your radar at the least. So why did the stock fall after it rallied over 70% in the last year? When a stock has run up that far, you know people are going to take, and has good earnings, people are going to take profits. And that's exactly what happened. People took profits, and the whole market was kind of going down last week. So with that happening, the AVGO stock just tumbled. And what that does is give you a great dip buy opportunity. So the dip buy opportunity is with the market focusing on 1% market margin contraction while ignoring the long-term reality. So the essential play in A-side network and infrastructure is not done. So keep this on your radar. It's not a failure, it's a gift. When a stock like this, that is this important and that has this much business drops, it's a chance for you to get in, and that's why I dropped, to pick you up and to pick me up. When I make this option move, and this option, it's only two things can happen. It's either going to up or down. So if I play it right and it goes up, I'll show you exactly what I did with this option. So I plan to buy a leap 6 months out, at least through the next earnings. So between now and then, you don't have to hold it for that long, but I will buy one that give myself time for this to play out, because AVGO will be back up. I guarantee you that. So, well, let me take that back. Nothing in the market is guaranteed. Nothing in this business is guaranteed, because the market fluctuates, price action fluctuates and all that. But if you do your homework and you do good analysis and good fundamental research, then you can feel secure that you're putting your money in a good place if you buy it at the right price. So with that being said, put AVGO on your radar. 357 is the price now. It was as high as 415 last week. So when this thing bounces, and the market isn't done, we're still going to get a Santa rally. So this could be back up within the next 2 or 3 sessions, if not the next 2 or 3 weeks. So keep it on your radar. Get ready to make some money. And with that being said, it's Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody. I'm going to get ready for some football. Peace.